Hey guys, welcome back. This is Naresh. So in this video we will see one of the important variable in Python, which is the main variable. So what I will do, I will create one simple program in which I will print. So I will just say print hi, this is calc module. Okay, and you will see that the file name is calc. If I do a right click and just click on run, it will say hi, this is calc module. Okay, now what I want to do, I want to see what kind of module it is. Is it a main module or a different module? So I will just concatenate one variable and I will say hi, this is calc module from, and after the comma I will say underscore underscore name underscore underscore. Okay, now if I run this, it will say hi, this is calc module from main. So you will see that I have just printed out here name variable, but the value of it is main because I am running this module right now. Okay, and if I do a similar thing from this another module which I have created, which is my main module, and I will just print here also the same thing. I will just change a few of the things here. So 1 second, I will say print hi, this is my main module. So I will say my main module from name. Similar thing, and if I run this, it will say hi, this is my main module from main. So this is also name is converting to a main variable. So that's mean whenever I run any module, that module itself is a main module. Okay, but let's assume now that let's say this is calc. I'm importing calc into the my main module. Okay, so I will say import calc, and if I hit on enter like this, and if I run this now, so it says module not found error, no module name calc. So maybe a spelling mistake. C is a small letter, so I have to make it capital letter C, and then I run it. So if you see that it is printing this from main, but it is also printing the text from the calc module, which is hi, this is calc module from, and you will see the variable name has changed from main to calc. So that's mean whenever I was running this calc standalone, it was giving the variable name of main as main. But if I import that into a different module, and if this print command is running, then the variable name is changed for the name. Now instead of the main, it is just printing the module name. Okay, so that's mean whenever we import anything and use that, it does not become a main. Whenever I run a file by itself, then it become a main. Okay, now what I want to do, I just want to make some changes. Let's say whenever I am running this, I want to say hi, this is main module, and here I will say welcome user. Okay, like this. Let me run it. It says like that. Okay, and I remove import calc from here. So I'm making some change here. So it will say hi, this is main module, welcome user main. Okay, and now if I run calc and here I import the main module, I will say import, and then I will say my main module. Okay, so this time I am doing a reverse what I was doing before, and if I run this, it will say that hi, this is main module, welcome user, and then hi, this is calc module main. So what I want, that this text which says welcome user should only come when I am printing from this file, which is my main module. And if this my main module is imported into the calc, at that time I should not get this. Okay, so I need to make some changes in my program. What I will do, in the my main module, I will put this into one method. Let me call it as def m1. Okay, so I am creating one method here, right? And then I am just calling this m1, this m1 method from here. Okay, if I run this, it says, hi, this is main module, welcome user main. So this is what I wanted. Now if I go to calc and run that, what I want, that this line should not get print, I should only get this line. Now let's run this. Okay, so again I am getting the same line which I don't want it, because I have this line wanted to be into the my main module only. So what I will make some changes, I will just put one condition and I will say if underscore underscore name underscore underscore, let me remove this parenthesis, equal underscore underscore main. Okay, so this is, I have given the condition that if this variable is main, then only call m1, otherwise it will not call it. So if I run it through this file, so if I do a right click and run it, okay, I think some problem here, just a moment. Okay, let me just put a comment. Okay, so I got the problem. What is the issue here? So I will go here, and here what I will do, I will put this underscore underscore main in a double quotes, because this value is a string value. Okay, so this is a variable name and this is a string value. So what I will do, I will say if my underscore underscore name is equal to underscore underscore main, and I will put a colon, and this m1 is a part of this if condition. So now if I do a right click and click on run, it will say this is my main module, welcome user main, which I wanted. And from here, if I go ahead and run this, you will see that now I am getting expected result. Now I am just getting this line, this is a calc module from main. I am not getting the text which says welcome user. I just wanted the welcome user from this file only. So even though this file is imported into the calc, but I am not able to print that line. So now I am getting the expected results. So you can understand now in the end that this name variable is a variable, its value keeps on changing. If we run a main file, the file which we are executing, its value would be main. But if we are importing it into some other module, and if we are trying to use that, then this name variable would behave differently. Now its value would be the module name. Okay, so I think that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.